Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. One of our viewers asked us about converting a LandXML file into a readable CSV or Excel document. We thought this would make a great video topic following our tutorial on how to import an XML into Excel. So we're going to show you guys how to relatively quickly and easily convert a LandXML file into a CSV. If you have a different XML file that is not a LandXML, this tutorial will still offer up a different method of conversion that you may not have used before. Before we jump into the video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, remote desktop licenses, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so first and foremost, I wanted to quickly show you guys the XML file. So I went ahead and made one for us to use as a sample. It's called sample landxml.xml. Let's start by showing you the document in Notepad. So I'll edit in Notepad. Now the actual information that we want is shown here. So we have P1 through P5, and we have X, Y, and Z coordinates for each value. It would be quite laborious to sit here and copy each one and enter that into a cell, especially if you have a large data set. So we're actually going to use a website that converts XML to CSV, and yes, it does work with LandXML files. Okay, now that you've seen this, let's go ahead and go over to that website. So we're on the home page here. The website is simply called convertcsv.com. And once we're here on the left-hand side, we can see this convert to CSV function. Click on convert XML to CSV. From here, we can either paste, so I could select all from my notepad and paste, or I can simply just choose the file. I'm going to elect to choose the file. And so in my downloads, I'll scroll down to the XML and we'll double click to open it. Here we can see the result data, and it is showing correctly, which is good. I can either convert to a CSV or to an Excel workbook document. Let's go with the CSV. After clicking that, we can see our result again down here, and we're just simply going to click this blue button that says Save to Disk. Would recommend against clicking any of the other ads here. And just like that, we can bring this into Excel, and we have the data formatted properly. Now that's all that there is for this tutorial. There are some methods that revolve around using Power Query Editor to import directly inside of Excel. However, I didn't have great success with it, and I found it to be a little bit too tricky. So I thought showing you guys this website could be helpful. All right, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you guys have any questions about that process, drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. As we continue to grow the channel, we would love to know what videos you would like for us to cover. If you have any ideas, invitation to comment those below. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated, as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.